Hello everyone, I'm DYNA Tolentino from Baels 1. Mr. Mark Gracioson, my instructor, Els 103. So, now I present for Middle English reading the Canturbury Tales Prologue 1 to 65. So proceed. What that April with his sure suit. The drowsy of birds had pressed to the roots, and batted every viney in sweet liquor, of which bird too engendered in the floor. When Zephyrus with his sweet breath inspired had in every holt and heat, tendre, crocus, and youngest Sune, had in the ram his half-cursed errands, and smiley Paulus making melody. The sleepen all the knit did openly, so freaked him nature in his courageous. Sunday, long Jan Portugun on pilgrimages, and Palmeres for to second strongest to Fernie holds Coty in sundry Londes, and especially from every shearer's end on Angle Lawn to Canterbury they went, the holy blissful martyr to seek that him had open what they were sick. We feel that in the season a day in southward at the tabard as I lay, ready to wenden on my pilgrimage to Canterbury with full debut courage. At night was come into that hostelry, well-meaned in 20, in company of sundry folk by adventure folly, in fellowship and pilgrimage were they all. That toward Canterbury Walden reads, the chambers and the stables were in weeds, and will be rare and is at beast, and shortly what the Sunni was to rest, so had I spoken with him aberration, that I was of her fellowship anon, and made forward early for to race, to take our way there as I your device. But natheless will I have time and space, ere that I further in this tale pace, me thinketh in accordance to reason, to tell you all the condition of each of him, so as it seemed me, in which they were in, and of what degree, and eke in what array that they were in, and amid that wall I first began. And it there was and that a worthy man, that pro and time that the first began. So reading out he loved chivalry, truth and honor, freedom and courtesy. Full worthy was he in his lord's weary, and thereto had he ridden no man fear, as well in Christendom as in heathenry, and every honor for his worthiness. Alexandre he was what is only, full of the same he had the word begun. Aboben Ali nation in Prusi, in Leto had he raised and in roots, No Christian man so opti of his degree, injourned at the sick, had he be of Algeciras and ridden in Belmarie, at ease was he and Satay. When they were gone and in the great sea, at many a noble army had he be, at mortal battles had he been beaten and potent, be or feet of Tramisin in Litzte, Trace, and a slain his poo. This is a like worthy meat, hadn't been also. Some same with the Lord of Palagi, again another hidden in Turkey. Thank you.